Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function aiter. Welcome, Python developers. Today we're diving into a powerful feature of Python's asynchronous programming capabilities, the aiter function. As we venture deeper into async programming, understanding aiter is key to harnessing the full potential of asynchronous iterators in Python. Let's get started. Introduced in Python version 3.10, aiter, short for asynchronous iterator, is a built-in function that creates an asynchronous iterator from an asynchronous iterable. The syntax is straightforward: aiter and the argument async iterable. This function is part of Python's suite of asynchronous features designed to handle concurrent operations. Before we delve deeper, let's clarify some key concepts. An asynchronous iterable is an object that can be iterated over using an async for loop. But unlike traditional iterables, it does not block the program's execution while waiting for the next item. This is crucial for applications that benefit from non-blocking behavior, such as web and network services. Why aiter function? The main purpose of this function is to provide a way to iterate over data asynchronously. This allows a program to remain responsive, for example, by fetching web data, processing streams, or handling user interactions without freezing the UI. Use the aiter function when dealing with operations that are I/O bound or when managing tasks that involve waiting for external events where you don't want to block the main execution of your program. It's perfect for efficiently handling tasks that need to wait for data to become available. Let's walk through an example to illustrate using the aiter function. In this example, async counter is an asynchronous generator that yields numbers with a delay. We use the aiter function to iterate over these numbers asynchronously in run async loop. This demonstrates how the aiter function facilitates non-blocking iteration over asynchronous generators. And that wraps up our exploration of the aiter function. With this function, you can significantly improve the efficiency and responsiveness of your Python applications. Continue to enhance your asynchronous programming skills with us. For more insights and advanced Python techniques, make sure to subscribe.